Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a natural extreme hair deep conditioner, and these ingredients are the things that you have in your kitchen, and the base for this ingredient are bananas, just like so. You need an egg. Depending on how much you're making, you can use 2. You also need fresh aloe vera. This is fresh aloe vera. I've already prepared it. You need flaxseed. Flaxseed is actually very good, but you extract the gel, just like you see. The gel is good. You can use it to detangle your hair, and you can also use it to lay your edges. Some women use it to lay down their edges, and it's natural. It's also good for hair. And then, of course, you're going to need your herbs, a selection of herbs. I have neem powder. Now, neem is very good for the scalp, and it also helps with hair growth. And so you need a tablespoon of neem powder. You need a tablespoon of moringa. Moringa is actually referred as the miracle tree, so it does a lot of things. And then you also need fenugreek. Fenugreek is also very good for your hair. It's moisturizing, it has protein, it gives it moisture. And of course, you're also going to need honey. Now, honey is a natural humectant which actually leaves your hair shining and leaves your hair lustrous. Very good for hair. And then finally, you need oil, any oil of your choice. I prefer to use coconut oil. This is my infused coconut oil with almost all the herbs that you see there, the neem, the moringa. You can see it's also green in color. So guys, what you do, you can decide to infuse your herbs in oil for days and then use it if you don't like the particles, because I don't mind. So I like to add in extra like direct herbs into the oil when I'm making it. So let's get into the tutorial. So guys, bananas are very good for the hair. Bananas are rich in potassium. Bananas are rich in natural oils, vitamins. Among other things, bananas can really help your hair and scalp. It helps to improve shine. Bananas will control dandruff, moisture, softens hair. It also protects elasticity of hair and breakage, so making your split ends really easy to manage. Okay, and of course aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for for your scalp, soothes your scalp if you have dandruff, and it moisturizes hair. For those of you, it's actually what I use most of the time. Now that's the next is flaxseed gel. Okay, flaxseed is also very good. You can use it to detangle your hair. You can use it as gel. It's also very rich. And then of course neem conditions your scalp, promotes hair growth, it seals in the hair follicles, minimizes your grays for those of you who are graying fast. It reduces dandruff and of course head lice if you have issues with that. Moringa is rich in zinc, and zinc is essential for healthy hair production. It also has antioxidants, which helps to boost the keratin production. It restores strength, repairs damage, and promotes growth. Fenugreek is rich in protein, and It also conditions, moisturizes the hair. Eggs are rich in vitamins A and E, and it also helps to promote hair growth as well as healthy hair. So with this, you can actually leave out the eggs, but I assure you the smell will not be there. Most of you fear the smell. Then you need honey. Honey is a natural humectant which actually leaves your hair moisturized. It leaves your hair shiny and lustrous. So it would be nice if you can start integrating honey into your hair conditioners. It's very, very good. And of course, coconut oil is very good for hair also. So what happens is that when you're working with this conditioner, just make sure you do not wash your hair with the hot water, because the eggs are going to cook in your hair. So you can see I'm going to add in my oil, my coconut oil. Now this coconut oil has been infused with the different herbs. And like I said, if you are not comfortable with the particles, like putting the herbs directly, infuse your oils, just like what I have here, into your coconut oil, and then you can use it. So what coconut oil does, it also helps with it keeps your hair really strong. It helps your hair keeping the lustrous nature, like look of your hair. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead. We are going to blend this, and make sure you blend it as much as you can, because at the end of the day, you don't want to end up with particles in your hair. Consistency. And remember, when you have particles remaining on your hair, it will be very difficult to wash them off. So try to blend them very smooth, at least. And for this conditioner, make sure the consistency is not thick, because fenugreek actually expands and it solidifies. And if you're going to keep it for, maybe use it for later, like what I usually do, I can make and keep it and use it for later, maybe 2 days later, or because if I'm in a hurry, or if I want to use it the next day, so I make a consistency like this, because even this one, the next day will be thicker than what you're seeing right now. So this conditioner is really very good. It will leave your hair feeling soft. It will leave your hair feeling moisturized. Your hair will retain its shine, but just make sure do not wash your hair with hot water, because you don't want eggs, white particles on your head. And again, make sure you also sieve, just like so. You see what I'm doing? This is an old socks. You can sieve even with something finer than this, which is also okay. But like I said, if you don't want particles on your head, just infuse your moringa, your neem, your fenugreek in oil, okay, any oil of your choice, and then use it in form of, so that you don't have to trouble with that. So that's it, guys. And this conditioner, which really is very soothing to the scalp as well. I like it because it leaves my hair really feeling soft. It leaves my hair moisturized. I've been doing this for quite some time now, and I love the results. So this is what I've done. So you just make sure you squeeze out as much as you can. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you're new to my channel, Welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be giving you more videos. If you love DIYs, then this is the channel to be. I'll be sharing lots of my DIYs with you. I like to do DIY. So guys, look at this. Look at this conditioner. It's rich, it's green, it's fresh. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.